To prepare in advance, grab a glass container and a pen. Place SurfaceShield kit, glass container, and pen adjacent to the sampling area. Remove provided ice pack from the package and place in freezer. Remove contents from reclosable plastic bags and label sample tube with sampling location. Don a new pair of gloves. Make sure the skin is not exposed. Wet swab using water provided and tap to remove excess. Swab should be moist, not saturated. Lay down the template on the sampling surface. Starting at the top left corner, press one side of the swab head against the sampling surface. The swab and surface should have complete contact. Move the swab head horizontally, left to right, using overlapping unidirectional strokes across the entire sampling surface area. Once the entire sampling surface has been covered, turn the swab head over and repeat using vertical, top to bottom, overlapping unidirectional strokes across the entire sampling surface area. Place the swab into the sample tube and snap the swab head at the notch. Secure the cap on tightly. Dispose of gloves and template in accordance with your site and drug-specific protocols. Place sample tubes in insulated mailer with frozen ice pack. Repeat the process to sample additional locations or drugs. Use a new template and set of gloves for each sample collection. Complete the sample submission process in Eagle tracks. Each drug should have its own submission. Label each reclosable bag with tube with its associated ETX number.